All right. Good evening. Welcome to the show. We have the CEAT management with us. We have Mr. P.K. Chaudhary to tell us his numbers. Mr. Chaudhary, hi. Evening. Can you just start off by telling us what how your numbers have looked this time around?
In terms of net profit, the net profit after tax is 61.47 crores.
Okay.
As against a loss of 28.8 crores same period last year. So we have had a big swing in terms of profit. From minus 28, we are plus 61 crores this year.
Okay.
As far as the top line is concerned, we have grown from 654 crore Q2 last year to 715 crores in this quarter. So the top line has grown by 9.3%. That is, the net sale is up by that much.
Okay. Sir, even on a Q-on-Q basis, even on a Y-on-Y basis, you've seen a big jump as far as both top line and bottom line is concerned. Where is the uptick come this time around? And if you could also tell us how much has raw materials been the price of this, part of this?
Compared to Q1, our numbers are not very different. In Q1, our profit was, I'll just hold the line, it was a little over 60 crores.
Yeah.
And this time we are coming at 61.47. So profit is almost the same as Q1.
Okay.
And top line from Q1 has gone up from 678 to 714.
Okay, yeah.
So there has been some growth in top line compared to the quarter one, but profit is just a shade more than Q1.
Okay.
The raw material cost has more or less remained at the same level as Q1, but compared to what it was in the previous year's quarter two, there is a big difference. Last year quarter two, the raw material cost was standing at about 118 rupees per kg, and this year it has come down to almost 97 rupees per kg. So
you've hiked tire prices off late. Do you see the further hiking of prices even in the CV space to combat further hike in raw material prices?
Look, the raw material prices for quarter two remained at about 89, but that is for the whole quarter. In the last month of the quarter, the raw material prices have shown a very sharp jump, and the way it is moving, we are expecting from Q2 to Q3 almost a 15% increase in the raw material cost. That is because all the raw materials are moving up. Now to take care of this 15% increase in cost, we are raising our finished product prices. We have in fact raised already by 3%, and we are hoping that raw material cost will become more realistic over the next few months, and it will come down because the peak tapping season of rubber is around the corner, and this is a time where every year rubber prices tend to come down. We are hoping that and if it does not happen, we will be compelled to look at price increases once again.
Okay. Also, to outline a little bit about your capex plans, the last time you spoke with you said about 500 crores is what you've outlined for the next 2 years or so. Could you just give us a status check on that, and also, on your Baroda expansion plans, how is that looking now?
We have 3 major expansion plans going on at this point of time. Phase 1 and phase 2 of the radial project at Baroda. The total capital outlay at Baroda is 620 crores. Hello?
Yes, go ahead.
620 crores is the total capex plan, and the project is going on schedule. We hope to start commercial production in October 2010. So we are just about 11 months away from production at Baroda. We also have another expansion at Nasik that is coming up. Okay. This is a 35 ton per day expansion with a capital outlay of 35 crores. This expansion is also going on currently on schedule, and this is expected to be completed by May-June next year.
Okay. One final question, sir. What are your expectations now for profits and your top line in the next couple of quarters?
Next 2 quarters, it appears that the kind of profit that we have had, PBT to net sale, is standing close to about 13%. This figure will be under some pressure.
Okay.
I don't expect that this kind of 13% margin on PBT to net sale will remain.
Okay.
We should see a slightly lower profitability going forward.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Chaudhary, for joining us and discussing your numbers. That's CEAT. Good set of numbers is what they've announced this time around. It'll come up for you on your screen. Up about 10% as far as revenues are concerned on a YOY basis, and on the net profit front as well. It is a 64 crore net profit versus a net loss of 28 crores last time around. Remember, it is the raw material prices and the downtick that has really augured well for them this time and has reflected in their numbers. FY09 was a horrible year for most of the tire makers. CEAT particularly saw a net loss of 16 crores in FY09, and a huge bit of recovery is what this tire maker has seen. But that's about it from numbers. Let's get you all the headlines at this